Welcome to Slow English Learning. Are you learning English step by step? You are in the right place. In this lesson, we will speak slowly, use simple words, and practice easy sentences. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy learning. Learning English takes time, and every small step helps you improve. So relax, stay positive, and let's learn English together. Let's begin. One sunny morning, Lily was walking in the garden. She found a big beehive hidden among beautiful, sweet-smelling roses. She walked closer because she was curious. Then she met the queen bee. The queen bee shone with a golden light and looked kind and warm. The queen bee spoke in a sweet voice like honey. She said, "Welcome to our garden, dear child. I need your help. Our garden is in danger. Only someone with a kind heart and love for nature can save it." Lily was surprised by the queen bee's words, but she happily agreed to help. The queen bee took her to the center of the garden. There, many flowers were dry and weak. They had lost their bright colors and no longer looked alive. The queen bee said, "We need your help to bring the magic back to this garden. Only by working together can we make it beautiful again and keep it safe for future generations." Lily started working with love and care. She gently touched the flowers and spoke kind words to them. Little by little, the flowers bloomed again. Their colorful petals opened, and they grew happily toward the sky. But their work was not easy. Playful spirits were hiding in the dark parts of the garden. They wanted to stop Lily and the bees. With the help of the queen bee and her loyal bees, Lily faced the spirits bravely. She used kindness and laughter, and the spirits finally left the garden. Days passed. The garden became full of beautiful flowers again. Lily felt happy and proud. Together with the queen bee, she had brought the garden's magic back and made it beautiful for everyone. The queen bee wanted to thank Lily, so she gave her a special gift. It was a jar of golden honey mixed with the magical power of the garden. Lily smiled, thanked her new friends, and returned to the castle with a heart full of love and gratitude. And finally, thank you for your attention to this story. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, and take care.